Dear friends, how are you all? Today we are going to learn a new app that is Google Lens. Okay. For example, in my phone, here you can see Google Lens from the second line, first one. Okay. So this is called Google Lens. What do you do? Go to Play Store, type Google Lens, search. Okay, Google, Google Lens. If you type and search, yeah, it's here, this icon. Okay, open, because I have already installed, so you need to open it. So you have opened. So now our matter is how we are converting an image to text. So you have written plenty of verses. Now we have to convert it into text. So we are finding it difficult to type everything. So we are having a lot of poems over here and we are going to type it. Okay. So typing will take time. So we will type. Okay. I'll just select this one. All right. And what you do, that's all. And here you have a lot of options, no? Translate, text, search, homework, shopping, places and all. In that, take text. Okay, text. And after touching text, what you do? Text found in image. Select all, listen. So we have to select all the text. Touch, select all. So now all the text is selected. Then copy text. That's all. Minimize it. It means bottom square is there, no? Minimize it. Then come to WhatsApp. So you will be having a separate thing, no? So deep press, paste. So you will be having some unwanted things, so that you can delete it. So this is the text which we have selected. So down one means you can delete it. New Year resolutions for 2K24. So line it is coming. Any corrections you can do it. And this is written by Alamelu ma'am. Alright. That's all. Okay. Similarly, we can do the next one. For example, this poem we are done. So what you do, next one if you want means, you can go to next verse. For this one I will select. Okay. What we should do? Text, it is already written. Translate, text, search, home, text. Select all. Copy text. Minimize it. WhatsApp. Deep press, paste it. So unwanted things, you can delete it. All right, done. So 2 poems finished. So this is written by Sumati ma'am. Similarly, if you go to Google Lens, go back. Like that, so many verses are there. You can choose. Okay, if you do this one, text, select all, copy text, minimize, go to WhatsApp. That's all. I hope you understood. So this is the way you have to convert an image to text. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood.